Welcome to ItzRafiq. From this video we are going to start MySQL chapter 3 for class 10 computer science. Before starting MySQL I'll have to install it in my laptop because in this laptop I have not installed the MySQL yet. So to download MySQL server you will have to go to this link def.mysql.com/downloads/installer. I'll give the link in comment section. From there you can download. You will get here two links. You can select the versions. You can either select 8.035 or you can, after that you can take here operating system, and you will get two options: Windows 32-bit, and here just you can see here 2.1 MB because it will just download the installer and it will install from the directly website. If your internet is fast enough you can go for the first option, and if you are using mobile internet or if you are using internet is not stable you can go to the second link. I have already downloaded the file, so I'll go to my download folder. Here this is the file. So to install the file, just open the file and run the file. So it will ask your permission, allow the permission. After giving permission, you select server only, client only, full, custom. These options are there. You can take full, then it will install everything. Unnecessary files will be installed. I will suggest to take server only and go to next. After that, execute. So it will start installing MySQL server in your computer. After that, click on next button again click on next button, and here this option will be there, how it will connect TCP IP. This one you select, and so tick on the show advanced logging options. I think this one is not required. Just go to next and select use strong password encryption for authentication. You can take that one, no issue. Go next, and here you give password for your MySQL. Give a easy password because you are just practicing MySQL here. You are not doing any office level work. So just you can give your password is 1234. Here is my favorite password, 1234. Then if you want to create more users, you can, this is the password for the root user. If you want to add more user, you can click here add user, and you can have the name. Suppose I am creating one guest user, GUEST guest, and host all I am taking, role admin only taking, and a password 1234. Again the next password also repeat password 1234. So now I will have two users, one is root, another one is guest, and both password is same 1234. After that next, then no need to change anything, just click on next and give full permission, no issue for that. Next, after that execute. So after executing all the necessary files, the MySQL will install in your computer. MySQL is a RDBMS client through where we can create databases. So before that we have to know what is database. Database is a systematic collection of information. In database we store the information in form of tables. In a table the data are stored in rows and columns. So I have installed MySQL. Now how I will open the MySQL? For that we can go here start, and you will get here MySQL command line, or you can go to all programs. Here in Windows 11 it is all apps. You will get one MySQL folder, so you can see here MySQL folder, and here you will get MySQL command line. So click on that. It asking password. So we'll have to give password here. So I have set the password as 1234. So I am writing 1234 and hit enter. So it will open the welcome screen like MySQL command and all, something that will be written here. I have zoomed the screen so that you can read nicely. So if the welcome screen comes, that means MySQL server is opened in your computer. But if I give a wrong password, then what happens? So I am opening MySQL again, command line. Now I am giving the password as 12345. If I give a wrong password directly, it will exit from the program. So you will have to give always correct password to open the server. So always give a easy password. It is my suggestion. Don't take too strong password so that afterward you will forget it and you will face difficulties to reset the password. So I will log into the server by entering the password. I have logged in. Now suppose I want to see the databases which are already available in my computer. For that we will write the command as show data BASES, so databases and semicolon. So it will display me the databases which is already available in my computer. There are already 4 databases in my computer and these are already predefined databases like information schema, MySQL, performance schema and system. Now if I have to create a new database, my command will be create database and after that name of the database. Let's assume that my database name is school, so I will write school here. Create database school. So query OK, that means my query is successful. Again let's write the previous command, show databases. So now you'll see here 5 databases: information schema, MySQL, performance schema, school and system. If I don't require school database, then my command will be drop database, then the name of the database which is school. Query OK, that means the database is got deleted from the server. So again if I write show databases command, you will see now in the list school is not there and these 4 are already system database. This database we will not able to delete. If I write drop database SYS, you will see it will not allow me to delete it. It's deleted. Let's see. Let's try to delete MySQL. It will not allow me to delete the MySQL database because it contains some system information which is very much required for the server. So we will not able to delete these 3 databases: information schema, MySQL and performance schema. So let us create again school database. My command will be create database school. So database creation done. After creating the database, we will have to select the database. For selecting the database, my command will be use school and then semicolon. Semicolon, that is end of the line. To execute any MySQL statement, we will have to give the semicolon. If I don't give semicolon and hit enter, I think it will accept, but for some statement it will not accept. So it's better to give the semicolon and hit enter. Database change, that means my current database is school. So after creation of database, we will have to create table. For that the command is create command, create table command. Suppose I am creating a table which will accept only student name and age. There will have only 2 columns, student name and age. So command will be create table bracket, then we can go next line or we can continue in the same line. My first column is name and the data type will be worker. Mainly we'll get 3 kinds of data: integer, character, variable character and date time. So name, as in name field we are going to store alphanumeric character, so my data type will be varchar, and in bracket will give the maximum size of the data which can be stored in name field. Let it be 20. If someone try to enter a name which contain more than 20 character, it will not accept. As in age normally we enter numbers, so I am taking as integer, after it semicolon and enter. Here came error message. You have error in MySQL syntax. Check the I think name, it is a reserved word. Oh, we have not defined the table name. So it should be like that. Suppose my table name is student, so it will be create table student. Then name varchar 20 is int. So query okay, that means my table is created. Now to see the available tables in my database, my query will be show tables. So that we will know what tables are available in my database. In my database, just one table is available. This is student. Now, inside the student, what information are stored? If I want to see, my command will be select star from student. By writing this command, we can see the information whatever stored inside the student. As I have not stored any information inside the student table, so it is came as empty set. And if I want to see what fields are there in the student and what type of data we are going to insert in that particular field, my command will be describe, DESC, or describe student. This command will show the all the fields available in the table. I have two field, name, age, and name field the type of data is varchar, age field the type of data is integer. So these two, and whatever properties they have, it will display. Now to insert data in my table, my command is insert into, then the name of the table which is student, then values, and we will give the values. For character values, always we will have to write inside inverted comma. Suppose name is Ankur, and for the numbers we no need to put inverted comma. Suppose age 15, then bracket close, semicolon. So it came as query okay, one row affected, that means one record inserted to the table. Now if I write select star from student, it will display my table this way, name Ankur, age 15. If we have to add multiple record at same time, our query will be like that. Insert into student values. Suppose the next name is Joy, age is 15. After that again we will put comma, again we'll put bracket, we'll write the next information, let it be Ria, and the age 14, and bracket close. Now hit enter to submit the values. Now you'll see it came as two rows affected, that means two records are inserted into my table. So let's see. Now you'll see free record inside the table. So this way we can create a table inside record inside the table and view the record. Suppose I need only the name, then we will write select the name of the column which is name, then from, and the table name which is student. So this way we will get the name of the student. And similar way, if I write in place of name age, we will get only the age. So in this video we learned how we can create a database, how we can view the already existed database, how we can see delete a database, how we can create a table, and how we can put data inside the table. We will learn the same thing in advanced level in the next video. We'll learn there how we can put constraint in the table, how we can put primary key, how we can put conditions, These things we'll learn in next video. And the link of the MySQL installation file will be available in comment section. You can see it from there. Thank you for watching. See you in any video. Till then, take care and bye.